everyone, and welcome to this explainer. I am absolutely thrilled to have you here today. Look, if you're starting from zero, like if you're staring at an empty bank account right now and feeling completely overwhelmed, just take a deep breath, okay? I completely get it. It kind of feels like an impossible mountain to climb. But today, we're breaking down Dr. James Carter's highly specific 5-step wealth blueprint for 2026. And this isn't just theory, it's a structured step-by-step guide to take you from a financially frustrating starting point to true financial freedom. We are going to map out exactly how you can build a wealth machine starting right now. Okay, let's just dive right into this. 67%. That is the staggering percentage of people who try to build wealth and literally fail in their very first year. More than 2/3 of people hit a brick wall almost immediately. So, with a failure rate that high, you really have to ask, why do beginners fail to build wealth so often? It's super easy to assume that it's because people are just lazy or maybe they just don't get the math. But the source material makes it crystal clear that is absolutely not the case. The real reason? They're missing the right sequence of actions. They are doing the right things, sure, but in completely the wrong order. To make sure you don't fall into that trap, here's our roadmap for today. 1. Why beginners fail. 2. Create scalable income. 3. The safety net. 4. Cash flowing assets. 5. The wealth separator. And finally, 6. Automate your system. Let's start with section 1. Why beginners fail. Missing the sequence. Moving right along to section 2, which is step 1 of the blueprint, create scalable income. Because before you can save or invest, you need an income engine. You literally cannot save your way to wealth. This completely shatters that old school myth that just penny pinching and skipping your morning coffee is gonna make you rich. It won't. Think of a traditional 9-to-5 job like a water pipe with a fixed diameter. No matter how hard you work, only so much water or money can flow through it. You absolutely need to build new pipes to fuel this journey. So what does a scalable income pipe look like right now? Well, the hottest scalable streams for 2026 are things like AI-enhanced freelancing, digital product creation, and micro-newsletters. These are concrete side hustles where your income can scale up without you having to trade more of your personal time. Now, the goal isn't to just up and quit your day job tomorrow. The goal is to build an engine that runs while you sleep. And the best part? You really only need to dedicate about 30 minutes a day to start building one of these. You can create a simple daily habit checklist, right? Spend 10 minutes researching market trends and 20 minutes actually creating your product or pitching a client. That consistent daily repetition is exactly how you build those new pipes. All right, section 3, step 2, the safety net. We are moving into the defensive phase now because you must build a bulletproof vest before you invest a single dollar. And this is a pretty haunting reality right here. 66.6%, literally 2/3 of bankruptcies, happen because of unexpected medical bills or emergencies. Only about 1/3 come from other causes. People generally aren't going bankrupt from crazy gambling or bad stock picks. They go bankrupt simply because life happened and they weren't ready. Without a safety net, one single emergency can wipe out years of hard-earned progress. So, how do we build that vest from zero? You just follow these bite-sized sequential steps. First, put all your focus into saving your first $500. Don't stress about thousands yet, just get to 500. Once you hit that, step 2 is saving 1 full month of living expenses. And then step 3 is building that up to 3 months of expenses. By breaking it down like this, it goes from totally overwhelming to entirely achievable. Section 4, step 3, cash flowing assets. With our safety net securely in place, it is time to shift to offense. And the environment is ripe for this. I mean, Goldman Sachs is even forecasting double-digit gains for the S&P 500 in 2026. But you shouldn't just buy random stocks hoping the price goes up. You want assets that pay you simply for holding them. We're talking dividend stocks like Coca-Cola and Walmart, companies that consistently raise their payouts. Also, look at REITs, or real estate investment trusts, which are legally required to pay out 90% of their income to shareholders. And hey, if you're worried about the price tag, fractional shares let you start buying into these exact assets with as little as $5. It makes playing offense accessible for literally any budget. The core mechanism behind all this is compounding. Going back to our plumbing analogy, compounding is basically taking the water that flows out of your new pipes and routing it directly back into your main tank to increase the pressure. You don't spend those dividend payouts, you use them to buy more assets. By reinvesting those dividends, you acquire more shares, which then pay you even more dividends over time. rinsing and repeating this exact cycle over a decade, that is the true engine of financial freedom. Next up is Section 5, Step 4, the wealth separator. Because understanding compounding is one thing, but actually applying it when temptation strikes is a whole different ballgame. This is the crucial behavioral trap that separates the wealthy from the wannabes. There is a really stark contrast here. When most folks get a raise or see a bump in their side hustle income, they immediately jump into lifestyle inflation. They buy a nicer car, move to a bigger apartment, go out for fancy dinners. But what do the wealthy do? They reinvest those profits to compound them. They know that every single dollar spent inflating their lifestyle is a dollar that could have been working for them 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. To really visualize how your actions change your trajectory, just look at the math from the source material. An initial $10,000 at 10% left entirely alone compounds to $67,000 in one scenario, whereas actively manipulating the variables, like adding $200 a month, changes the future result to $35,000 in another. Small, consistent actions fundamentally rewire your financial future. The math proves that even minor shifts in how you handle your income will significantly alter your long-term projections. Which brings us to our final phase, Section 6, Step 5, automate your system. To sustain all of this over decades, you cannot rely on willpower alone. True wealth is built by working smarter, not harder. So let's rapid fire it through the exact systems you need to set up. You need to automate your savings by setting up a direct deposit split with your employer so that money routes straight to a high-yield savings account before you even see it. Automate your investments using robo-advisors for a totally hands-off approach that rebalances your portfolio for you. Automate all your bill payments so you never hit a late fee. You can even automate your side hustle by creating repeatable templates. The less you have to actively think about moving money around, the more consistent you'll be. Your wealth machine should be running whether you're sleeping, chilling on a beach, or just binge watching Netflix on the couch. Doctor really hits the nail on the head here with this quote. The difference between wealthy and broke isn't income, it's what you do with that income. That is the absolute core philosophy of everything we've covered today. It honestly doesn't matter if your income is huge or tiny right now. If you master this sequence, scaling, protecting, investing, compounding, and automating, you can build wealth. Literally anyone can follow this blueprint. So, I want to leave you with one final provocative question. Which step of the wealth blueprint are you going to start with today? Seriously, I challenge you to create a 30-day wealth launch calendar starting right now. Day 1, dedicate 30 minutes to side hustle research. Day 2, set up that auto transfer for your $500 safety net. Please don't let this just be another explainer you watch and then immediately forget about. Take that very first step today and let compounding do the rest. Thanks so much for joining me and keep building your wealth.